Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we empower your startup to be unstoppable. Today we're talking about something crucial, the importance of having an AI strategy for your startup. It's not just hype, it's the key to outperforming your competitors. We'll unpack the ins and outs of AI's benefits for businesses, and we're going to explore how AI gives you a competitive edge, the strategies that successful startups are using, and how to craft an AI plan that's a perfect fit for your business. So get ready to supercharge your startup with some AI magic. Let's dive in. So around 2020, something big happened in the AI and machine learning research. Around that time, research in computer science, specifically in AI, deep learning, both for computer vision and natural language processing, reached a point of returning results, concrete results for basically businesses. And about a year after, OpenAI released ChatGPT, and a lot of people had a chance to have hands-on experience with AI for the first time. So not only ordinary people, but also business owners did some experiment with ChatGPT, and they realized there's a huge potential for their business and for the productivity of their workflow. They're not wrong. There's a huge potential for a lot of small businesses and startups to incorporate AI and improve their efficiency and productivity. But this can be a little bit challenging if you don't really understand AI and you don't know how to apply AI to your business. So that's why today we're going to talk about strategies to incorporate AI into your business. There are three main ways that AI can give you some competitive edge, and I'll give you a few examples of startups that incorporated these strategies to succeed in the game. So first strategy is to bake AI into your product or your service. As an example, Duolingo is an app for learning languages. And I remember a few years ago, it was really lagging behind, very weak, and not compatible with the level of the students. It would just give you repetitive stuff to practice. As soon as they deployed AI into their core operation, their app got much smarter, and now it's like number one. Another example is Grammarly. There are many spell checking softwares out there that help you with writing. Grammarly early on started incorporating AI into its core product, and with that AI capability, it can learn about the context of your writing and improve your style. So that was the first strategy, just bake AI into your product. Second strategy is, we all know a lot of companies already doing this, is data-driven decision making. So a huge example here is Netflix. They have to make quick decisions on a daily basis for millions of users, for I don't even know, thousands of movies on their platforms, which movies to be promoted, which movies are trending, and all of that is possible only by leveraging AI to process all those big data and sort out the movies on their platform and find the trends among viewers and people who watch Netflix. Third strategy, and the biggest example, Amazon. Third strategy is about increasing efficiency and automation, and Amazon is a classic example of deploying AI for increased automation and efficiency. Any workflow that is repetitive and it's a bottleneck in the daily operation, they just automate it. They employ robots, they use big data, they use deep learning, artificial intelligence in any level to increase their automation and efficiency. Similar to those three strategies for deploying AI into your startups, successful startups are using these three strategies to stay ahead of the competition. So first one is personalization. You want to personalize your service or your product for your customers. Customers expect more intelligent, smarter products these days. And you can learn about customers' behavior by deploying AI and machine learning algorithm into your services. Examples that I gave you, Grammarly and Duolingo, they constantly monitor the user's behavior to improve their service. Second key strategy is to use data for market analysis and predicting trends. So just like Netflix, you can use data and AI to predict trends and analyze the market. And third key strategy is optimization. Just like Amazon, you need to increase the automation, increase the efficiency, and optimize. Once you automate a few SOPs, standard operational procedures, or your daily workflow, then you can get consistency, and consistency makes improvement much easier. With automation and consistency, you can facilitate optimization, and that's the key role of AI in today's businesses. Now we learned that AI is essential for startups, especially to put them ahead of their competition. Here in this game, if you don't already have a head of AI or some sort of CTO who already knows a lot about AI, you probably would benefit from hiring an AI consultant. And an AI consultant has actually 3 roles. First role an AI consultant can perform is customizing the AI plan for your startup. Any business is unique, and especially startups are very unique. You cannot just go and copy another's business AI plan for your business. You need to custom cut that AI plan to fit your business and your startup. And that's the first task of an AI consultant, to do that for you. A custom cut, custom fit AI solution. Second, AI consultant can bridge the gap between the technicalities and the latest technologies of AI and your business requirements and your business strategies. It can be a little bit challenging for business owners and startup founders to understand the technology, and then on top of that, apply those technologies to their business. So somebody who already has experience applying those technologies onto businesses can really bridge this gap and make everything much easier. And finally, an AI consultant can provide ongoing support throughout the evolution of a startup. So startups are changing rapidly, and the technology is faster than ever these days. And having an AI consultant who can walk you through all these evolution and give you confidence and give you guidance about what the best practices are can be really beneficial long term. Okay, now I want to talk about 2 examples of 2 startups, both in recruitment industry, that came to me a few weeks ago. One of them was building a platform for recruiting consultants and recruiting tech employees. And they came to me early on before starting the project and asked for designing the AI product and the roadmap and infrastructure. And I helped them with that project. And the second client, after a few failures, came to me and they asked to take a look at their technical stack and see if there is any room for improvement. And unfortunately, I realized that they started the project with really outdated technology, and they use regex, regular expressions, which is a little bit of old school programming technique for natural language processing. And they're not in a good position to win the competition. Because I'm sure a lot of other people who are in this industry, they are already using the cutting edge of AI. So you don't want to be like the second client who goes to the AI consultant after failure. So you want to go before starting your project, and it might only take a few hours to figure out what's going on with your business and come up with some good idea to have some sort of framework for your AI strategy. Now I'm going to give you a few practical steps for your startup to get started with AI. First, you need to evaluate the readiness of your startup for AI integration. Just take a look at your startup, your technical stack. See if you have enough data, you have the data infrastructure, you have access to computational resources, you have access to the cloud, or you have some clear picture of your business strategy. Identify your core customers, identify the specs of your core product. And if you're not sure about the details, you can always ask an AI consultant down the road. Second is identify areas that AI can benefit your business or it can improve your product. And this can be a little bit tricky, but again, hopefully somebody can help you with this step as well. And finally, collaborate with an AI consultant. So no need to say that an AI consultant can help you with the first two steps, but beyond that, they can help you to come up with an AI roadmap that guarantees success for your company long term. And as always, at Glissando, we help startups, small and mid-sized businesses incorporate AI into their product or services. My name is Amin, AI engineer and consultant. If you have any question, just email me, and I promise to empower your business to be unstoppable.